Anyone for Monopoly? Pass go, collect $200 and move straight to Seagull Avenue. You'll win hands down when you invest in this uniquely affordable home, one street back from Hedges, arguably the best street on any Monopoly board. The unique, absolute beachfront available only here has made Mermaid Beach a byword for glamorous, high-value prestige real estate. Demand is high, but supply is limited. Freestanding homes in Mermaid are tightly held. Did you know only 4 to 5 change hands every month? Most of these are kept at the very top of the market. Add to this the cosmopolitan village atmosphere that only this part of the Gold Coast can offer, with cafes, restaurants, shopping and schools all a short walk away. And 37 Seagull Avenue is a unique buying opportunity. But here's the best part. This well-kept 2-story, 5-bedroom home offers tremendous potential to the discerning buyer. Currently, the downstairs is leased as a tidy 3-bedroom flat, which brings in a very tidy income. Upstairs, 2 living areas and 2 bedrooms offer light-filled modern beachside living. A spacious east-facing deck overlooks the private backyard and captures the sounds and breezes from the ocean. For al fresco dining, family living or entertaining friends, this is idyllic. With another balcony at the front, off-street parking and a large backyard, all just 1-minute walk from the beach, cafes, restaurants, the surf club and shopping, all the ingredients are here. Make your move and swipe the board.